Elsewhere, Kenya expects to sign a trade deal with the United States by the end of this year. President William Ruto says Kenya is working with Washington to extend its duty-free agreement with Africa for at least 5 years. Ruto, who is attending the United Nations General Assembly meeting in New York, is expected to meet with U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio later on to discuss the African Growth and Opportunity Act.
The 25-year-old African Growth Opportunity Act grants qualifying African nations duty-free access to the U.S. market. It is due to expire this month, with the U.S. government showing no interest in renewing the deal. Kenya has been engaging with the U.S. authorities to renew the trade pact. President William Ruto has said Kenya is looking to access the U.S. market for its apparel, textile and agricultural products, including tea, coffee and avocados.
To consider seriously renewing and extending AGOA for at least a minimum of 5 years, because it is a platform that connects Africa and the US in a very fundamental way. And it can go a long way in solving some of the trade deficits and challenges that exist at the moment, especially in the context of where the world is going.
Ruto wants to explore new areas including mining and fishing. If a deal is reached, it would be the first of its kind between a sub-Saharan African nation and Washington. Kenya is also working with the U.S. to develop what U.S. says will be a template of future trade pacts with Africa.
Indications are that before the end of this year, we should sign off a trade deal with the U.S.
President William Ruto, who is in the U.S. for the United Nations General Assembly, has said Kenya has robust trade agreements with several partners, including China, which has removed all tariffs from Kenya's agricultural products. Since its enactment 25 years ago, the act has expanded trade, increased investment in sub-Saharan Africa. Trevor Ngendofi.